We are do this from a little and a grow. Yo, here we go. BlakeWrTv. You know what it is. Chilling out here, Washington DC. You know what time it is. Thank you. Safe way. It's a light day today, man. No work. This guy working. Let's go. Beautiful grocery store. There's everything you need. Welcome to the American Safeway. Some nice flowers. Yeah. So getting some of these flowers. Beautiful. Save $20 on your next delivery. Yeah guys, buy some flowers, you get a $20 off on your next delivery. So hurry up and come grab some flowers. Those look good in the vase over there. Pretty. Fresh produce. Apple stock up real nice. Who did this job? Did a decent job on the apple. Need the pineapple. Need the pineapple. Shucks. Mango. 2 for $3. Mango selection. Hey, how much for the pineapple over there? How much for the pineapple? $3.29 for one pineapple, bro. It's kind of high, man, and they're so small. Huh? I get some big one, man, for that price. All right, bless her. And pineapple is expensive. I want to spend more. $2.99. Corn 2 for $7. 2 for $7, guys. Corn and the cud. I like what they all put out. These things nice. Everything is packaged, is pretty looking. I like this. It's a nice look at this shelf. These guys are specialists in stocking these shelves. Did a great job. These guys are some specialists in stocking these things. They are doing a good job. See a little fire over this, I go and burn. Nice and neat. Yeah man, Kingsford, that's where you get your real charcoal summer grilling. You got to have the body for you do summer muggling. The people them I go to beach. Call me little friend and tell her link me up at the beach. You know my style good, so you know me have to reach. You can meet me at the party. I'll be rolling with my Hardy. Party going all night long. Meet me at the party. I'll be sipping a Bacardi. Party going all night long. With that in English say, pull up in the drop top, pull up in the Benz. When you see me lock it, when I lock it to my friends. Bedroom excitement. Alright, what am I drinking? Moscato. Pink. It's a liquor shelf guy. This way you get wasted. This way you get wasted. Alright. See if missing nothing that's good. Everything is just lightweight. Merlot. Lightweight stuff. What is this? Goose Bay. Yeah man. Looking for some cognac. But these are just lightweight champagne. You know the thing set already. Cavalier 2017 Rose Divar. Yeah. Meet me at the party. I'll be rolling in the Hardy. Party's going all night long. Meet me at the party. I'll be rolling with the Shorty. Party's going all night long. Rolling in the drop top, cruising in the Benz. Damn, this is a lot of champagne. Look at that shelf. All the way back there. Came all the way down here. It's all wine. Alright, what we got over here? We got some Heineken. What type of Heineken is this? This don't look like a Jamaican Heineken. This Heineken look like it built. They make it somewhere. Zero alcohol. Yeah, they're not easy. Yardman alcohol. Yardman alcohol. What am I going with? I've put some ethanol in my thing. Alright. Meet me at the party. I'll be sipping a Bacardi. Party's going all night long. Pull up in the drop top, lick into the Benz. When you see me sack me, I'm lucky with my friends. Bedroom excitement. Y'all stay to me like a shilling and pence. Me and the only king in the girl resident. So me stand permanent. You can meet me at the party. Okay, I need some pineapple. I need to make me a pineapple bowl. Y'all know what a pineapple bowl is? I want a big pineapple for it though. A big one where I can cut. Look at these nice, delicious cut up. You know what time it is. Welcome to the watermelon. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Okay, guys. About to hit the street. Leave the place. You know what time it is. Road boy thing. About to hit the street. Leave the place. You know what time it is. Road boy thing. Meet me at the party. Me and the English rolling in the Hardy. Party's going all night long. Meet me at the party. I'll be sipping on Bacardi. Party's going all night long. Pull up in the drop top, roll it in the Benz. When you see me lock it, I'm lock it with my friends. Bedroom excitement. Y'all say to me like a shilling and pence. Me are the only king in the girl resident. So me stay permanent. She can meet me at the party. And I'll be rolling with my Hardy. Party's going all night long. Meet me at the party. And I'll be rolling in the Hardy.